Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about nested class in Python. What is the meaning of nested class? A class inside another class are called as nested class. So directly we have one example over here. We have a class A. Then we are defining one constructor and we are writing one print statement. Now inside this class only we have one more class, that is class B, and we are defining constructor for class B and also one normal method for that class B. Okay, so what is the meaning of this line is nothing but we have created object A for class A. Now how to create object for class B is nothing but you write the object name whatever you want to write, B equal to, then what is the object of class A, that is small a, then dot, and what is our class name for second nested class, that is B. So this is how you can create the object, and obviously object is created, it means it will call the constructor of class B also. And to call normal methods, now you can use b dot m1 function. So obviously to create inner class object, inner class means this one. First, we need to create outer class object. That means you have to create object of this class first. Then with the created outer class object, that is small a, we can create inner class object by writing this line. And after creating inner class object, we can access the member of inner class. So let's check the output of this. First two is going to call constructor of A and constructor of B. And last line it will call M1 method. Control S and F5. See. So that is all about nested class in Python. Thank you everyone.